Hey, what's going on here? Bakit ang ingay-ingay dito, ha? Ano ito, palengke? Is this your first day here?
Yes.
Sir!
Sir!
I'm Brando Lagrimas, your drama teacher. This is a drama workshop class. Kung gusto nyo matuto, this is the right place for you. Pero I'm telling you right now, this is not a playground. Kung maglalaro lang kayo at magkikame kayo dito, the door is open. You can leave right now. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, what?
Smart Alex, huh? Well, I have ways of taming you guys. So, you all want... Wait! Where are you going? You all want to be performers on the legitimate stage, right? You're all from the drama department?
Sir, I'm not.
Now, what the hell are you doing? Hindi sosyalan to. Out, out, out. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
She can go, sir. Yes, sir. That's right.
What department?
Sir, music, voice culture.
Music, voice culture. Well, this is the drama department. Out! I don't need you out.
Sir, she wants to take up drama. Yes, sir. That's true, sir. Sir, naman.
Seryoso ka ba?
Yes, sir.
Ba't di mo sinabi agad? Upo ka. Upo, upo.
Sir, I have no chair.
Look, there are chairs over there. You can sit there.
Sir, yes.
Take a chair, any chair you want.
Sir, correct, sir, correct.
At saka dapat mong tandaan na yung miyembro ng audience na nagbayad ng ticket, medyo, kahit na siya medyo bulag o medyo bingi at nakaupo siya sa last row ng balcony, she or he is entitled to a good show. Yun ang kailangan yung intindihan, that an acting is believing.
Sir,
Ano yun?
may taga.
Taga?